Just seen a couple of people posting about how to install Total CMS 3. I'll give you a quick video on how to do that. So I just have a simple brand new project here. I just have a coming soon page, and I have a domain set here, tcms3demo.com. I've got my pages set to PHP, and I have a publishing to the server. All right. So to install Total CMS 3, I'm just going to add a new page. In this case, I'm just going to call this TCMS3 dashboard. I'm going to set up the page to be /TCMS and index.php. And then all I'm going to do is go to my Total CMS 3 stacks, add the CMS core, and you're going to add the admin embed. And that's it. That's how you install Total CMS 3. You just hit preview here to get the preview version of Total CMS 3. This is a localized version of the admin panel, but if you want to publish it up to your server, you can just publish it out. Perfect. And then all we have to do is visit the site, refresh. This is going to get my coming soon. We're just going to go /TCMS. It's going to ask you where do we want to install it. So we're just going to do it in the document root, continue to set up. And then you can do your login. Once you set up your first user, now you'll be logged into your Total CMS 3 dashboard. And that's it. You're fully installed and good to go.